Anurag Dixit is one of the most popular musicians in India. Anurag has more than 7 MTV Hot Favorite songs. Anurag's YouTube channel has millions of viewers. Anurag's pop albums are bestsellers, signed by Universal Music and Times Music. Won Best Singer Artist Allowed Award, beating Honey Singh and Kailash Kher. Anurag is the only Indian musician who is a power user of FL Studio. Since 2003, Anurag has mentored thousands of students. His students are MTV artists, professional singers, musicians, sound engineers and music teachers all across India and abroad. Anurag Dixit's musicology established in 2003. Since 2003, Anurag has mentored thousands of students. His students are MTV artists, professional singers, musicians, sound engineers and music teachers all across India and abroad. And now, it's your turn to take advantage of Anurag's professional skill, experience and wisdom.